What is up, guys? Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. Now today, you guys have been seeing a whole bunch of build videos on this 240. I know it's getting kind of stale. I'm having fun while doing it, but I can see like the channel is kind of dipping a little bit. So we're gonna bring it back old school. I already know everybody likes racing videos. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull back out the Tahoe, that little baby over there, and we're gonna run some little local competition. The guy has a 300ZX with an LS swap in it, and he wants to run it. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. So let's get this video started. It's back.
Oh yeah, ready to go.
Long time no see.
Oh yeah, definitely. Still runs fine. I mean, no issues with it. It just sits because I'm not gonna daily it.
Hell yeah.
It's like pure race truck now.
Yeah, I know. So we about to go see what this thing can do against a little LS swap 300ZX. It's gonna be pretty fun. So shit. I mean, it's pretty quick on its feet. So it's a little testament to see what the Tahoe is at power wise. That's all it is. Haven't started this thing up in weeks, so yeah, still runs pretty good. The old 350 small block, power stroke turbos. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
That's all it is. Do a little test hit. I'll brake boost it. Yeah, there we go. Cool, yeah, it does hit. That's when that boost kick in, boy. Holy shit. That's nice.
Dude.
Truck misfiring like a bitch.
I know. You probably need some probably some plugs or something.
Yeah, plugs or it's not tuned up there. Like,
God damn.
Like, I have to tune it.
Holy shit.
Whatever, but
this thing got faster.
Oh yeah, exactly.
You must have been tuning on this thing in the science lab or some shit.
I can see if you want to hit it again.
Yeah, it's whatever. Cause he got you on the hit. That's the whole thing in that vehicle. He got you on the hit.
Yeah, you on the side. See if you want to hit it again.
You want to hit it again, or you just want to?
Way straight through the clutch. We can try it again out of 40. But that's
okay. Yeah, he said you want to try it at a higher roll.
Okay.
You went to the clutch. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do that. It's misfiring a little bit, so yeah, I think it's a plug wire. Yeah, AFR is all over the place too. So yeah, he had that little warning light on the dash blinking. Whenever that blinks, we always know it's a misfire. So shit. Hope we can get this fixed so we can get round 2 in. Hurt.
Yeah.
40. Yeah, it's hurt.
Yeah, it's hurt.
It's hurt.
It's not bad.
All that smoke too. Yeah, this shit's hurt. Goddamn. Fuck.
Yeah, it wasn't running good at all.
Goddamn. Yeah.
Look at it, show them the light.
Yeah, see, that shit's blinking.
Lean misfire light. Running lean.
We saw like 17, 18 AFRs. Yeah, this shit's hurt.
Yeah.
Goddamn. Hope we didn't blow this
motherfucker.
I know.
I'll run it.
So we're dipping into the PCM trying to see which cylinder is misfiring.
I know if the cylinder 7 misfire, it's gonna be my spark plug wire. And let me see, I'm checking right now. Read codes. Exactly. Cylinder 7 misfire.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I know it's a
so is that spark plug wire?
Same spark plug wire. Something's wrong with it. It's making a bad connection.
Yeah, we're just gonna get a brand new set of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we need, bro.
So thing.
Still doing work on 7.
Hell yeah, this shit like it scares the mess out of me. Like it feels like this motor's gonna pop, but it just keeps on going, even with 7 cylinders.
But you literally have to cut the factory wire, plug it in, and it goes in.
Some of them, like,
this is where the magic happens, right here.
Some of them you have to.
And do that.
Reset it. Just in a rush.
Yeah, I know.
Got to plug in the math, man.
Dang, see, that's the whole thing. We forgot to plug in the math, bro.
He still runs though. He don't
Shit.
need the math.
Hey, you don't
It'll
need
build-
the sensor on boost at all.
Damn. Yeah. Now back to the 240 project. This is a little update video. I mean, nothing real serious. Right now, we pretty much have the whole fuel system done. So fuel system is out the way. Next thing what we got to do is we have our oil feed lines for the turbo. So I have this Earl's, especially their, I believe it's a oil filter relocation kit. This is going to go on my firewall here. And this is going to be where the filter is going to be, because down there's not enough space for me to have a spin-on oil filter. I have to have one that's relocated up here. Off of that, there's a little feed line, and I'm just running a line directly to the turbo over here, and we're just gonna have this plumbed up, so we're gonna have some oil supplied to the turbo. If you don't have that, you're gonna blow your turbo. Now this is a different turbo than what you guys saw last time. This is a precision 76 75, so this is a little bit bigger than the one that I had before. We're just using this one for now, especially for mock-up to do everything, and probably gonna just run it as it is, and then kind of see what happens. If I got to go bigger from there, I'll do that. I just want to just probably have the best power capabilities right now. I still have the old turbo, so that old precision turbo right here. We still have that one, so I'm pretty much not gonna need it right now. So I was telling my brother, I was like, nah, you got the IS? Shit, you want to go fast? I got a turbo, you know, put shit together. So we're gonna see how that goes, but that's pretty much where we sit right now with the 240. I have a guy that's gonna fab up my whole cold side, so you know, that intercooler over there, that old beastie Mishimoto intercooler. Always got to shout out to Mishimoto, always giving me the best parts at the best prices. We're gonna fab this up. We're gonna put this on the front end. Probably come in a couple weeks towards the front end. Not a couple weeks. It should be pretty soon. So yeah, that's gonna be on the front end, and we're gonna have all the piping and stuff. It's gonna be ran. I still got to put on my wastegates. These are CX Racing 44 mil wastegates. Pretty much same run of the mill. I mean, they're all right for what they are. I hear a lot of good reviews on them. A lot of people run them without any problem at all. The only problem that I found is when I ordered these wastegates, I ordered them with a 12-pound spring. Now, 12 pounds are like a little normal, little boosted 4-cylinder. That's not that big of a deal. With this V8, 12 pounds is probably gonna make 600, maybe 700 horsepower. So the fact is, I'm gonna have to get a lighter spring, probably an 8-pound spring for this. And so, especially when we're tuning and we have like a base tune on like just base boost, it's not gonna be 700 horsepower. We'll have to run E85 all the time. I'll be able to run pump gas with a lower boost level. So I got to put these things on, do the banjo fittings, do all the vacuum lines, you know, just very, very complicated race car engineering shit. But that's pretty much what we got today. I got my plug wires and stuff like that. So I mean, all I have to really do is have a good day where all my parts come in. I still got stuff being shipped. Good day where everything comes in, put everything together, and it's gonna be started. I know I keep on saying that when next time you're gonna see this car is gonna be started, but this isn't a full video on the 240 yet, so it's kind of update, so really don't count. We had a fun little time with the Tahoe and the 300ZX. That was a good ass race. But you know, this is gonna be the real race car right here. So yeah, I mean, when you see this thing on the road, you know, we still gonna be doing some hood rat shit, but we're gonna be doing hood rat shit at like 200 miles an hour. But that's pretty much how it goes. Turbo's Garage. Like, favorite, and subscribe. You guys want to see more videos like this, hit a thumbs up. You know, you can always find us on Instagram at Turbo's Garage. You always want to have update on stuff behind the scenes. DM me, answer questions. A lot of times, a lot of people have questions about my builds. I answer, and it's no big deal at all. I'm not no celebrity, but hey, Turbo's Garage.